In this video we're going to have a look at how to install Activity-M8. So first up, head over to pacificmarketinglabs.io and we'll assume in this case that you already do have an account. If you don't have an account, click Get Started to set yourself up with an account. Please check out our help centre for videos of how to create an account. So assuming you have an account, click Login, which takes you over to the Pacific Marketing Labs portal, and we're just going to log in quickly. On my account I've got access to multiple portals, but you may only have access to one, in which case it will take you straight through to installing the apps. I'm just going to choose this test portal here, but I'm going to click on this Install App button at the bottom down here. This is where you install all of our apps from this one screen. So I already have Currency Rate and Validate installed, so in this term I'm just going to install Activity-M8. So I simply click Install. It's going to ask you a few questions about whether you want to give permission for this app to connect to HubSpot, which we do. So we're going to scroll down and click Connect App. That's it. It's all done. Okay, so that's now going to take you through to the Activity-M8 dashboard, which clearly doesn't have any data on it at the moment because it's a new install. So if we now go back over to HubSpot, and we're inside that portal, the JS demo portal, and we're on a contact record. You can see, if we now refresh our screen, that what we'll have here now is you'll have a new card appear down here on the right hand side. Okay, so there's Activity-M8. It's now installed on the right hand side. Typically we would recommend dragging it up to the top so that you've got it to hand, and then you can click to view the summary and it'll then bring up the information as you can see here. And that's it. That's how you install Activity-M8.